Hi, and welcome to Stamp with Ginny. Today we're going to walk through the last chance and carryover lists for the mini holiday catalog, September through December 2023. A couple of things you'll want are the printed PDFs for both the carryover and the last chance, a highlighter, and a ruler. This allows you to really follow along with the list and keep everything straight since it's so tiny. So let me set this aside and I'll show you the catalog as we walk through it, which makes it a little easier for most people when it comes to marking things. I'm going to start on page 5 with the Walk in the Forest Designer Series paper. Now this paper happens to be one of our Making a Difference items and gives $3 back, so it's a great thing to stock up on and know you're doing some good in the world. We're going to flip to page 8, and the suite is retiring, along with the bundle, the ribbon, the foil sheets, and the Designer Series paper. The iridescent adhesive back discs are going to be carrying over. Page 10 and 11, all three items here, the St. Nicholas stamp set, dies, and bundle are retiring. Page 12, the Merriest Trees bundle is retiring with that 10% savings, but the stamp set and the dies will be carrying over. Page 13, Festive Fun is retiring along with the mini Christmas tree dies. This is kind of hidden there, so you might want to check it out before it's gone if you haven't already. Page 14, the Sweet Collection is going to be retiring for the Oh Holy Night, along with everything on the page on page 15 except the Night of Navy ribbon with the gold. This is going to be carrying over. Page 16, all three items, and page 17, all three items. Now remember, if items are on back order, the item will show in the online store, but it disappears when it's completely sold out. Page 18, all three items with the rocking horse, and page 19, the Shop the Town is retiring. Page 20, just the bundle is going to retire. The Forever Forest and the Forever Forest dies are carrying over. Page 22, the Joy to You and the Handcrafted Elements dies are retiring. On page 22, we have another one of our suites. It's going to retire, and everything on the page here except the Snowflake Sky 3D embossing folder is going to be retiring. That will be carrying over. Page 24 is just a detail of some of the items in the suite, and so all three items are retiring, along with page 25, the Gift of Giving. Page 26, the Winter Owls stamp set, dies, and bundle is going away. On page 27, we have two background stamps that are going to carry over. Page 28, the Joy of Christmas suite. This is retiring along with everything on page 29 except the black and white with vanilla large check ribbon. It's carrying over. So that means on page 30 and 31, both stamp sets and dies and bundles are going away. Page 32, the Sending Cheer stamp set, dies, and bundle is saying goodbye. On page 33, the embossing folder, Christmas Tidings, and Jolly Words, sorry about that. Page 34, Radiant Light stamp set is going away, along with everything on page 35. The Wishes All Around stamp set, dies, and bundle. On page 36, the Winter Meadows suite is retiring. So on page 37, the bundle will be going away, the Designer Series specialty paper, and the embellishments, ribbon, and Designer Series paper are carrying over. Page 38, the Magical Metal stamp set, dies, and bundle are retiring. And on page 39, just the Sparkling Snowflakes bundle is retiring. The sparkling snowflakes and the tag topper punch will be carrying over. On page 40, the Above It All stamp set, dies, and bundle will be going away. And on page 41, the nested treat boxes and the Precious Pinecone stamp set. On page 42, the All About Autumn Sweet collection will be retiring, along with everything on page 43 except that beautiful distress tile embossing folder and oxidized copper designer series paper. On page 44, just the bundle is going to retire since we're going to be carrying over the autumn leaves and the dies, which is why on this page that bundle is retiring. On page 45, the Fruitful Blessings stamp set, dies, and the bundle is going away. And I forgot to mark the Abundant Beauty decorative masks on this page, since they're also on page 47. The Rustic Crate stamp set and dies are going to carry over, but the bundle is not. On page 47, the stamp set is going to carry over, but the Abundant Beauty decorative masks are retiring. On page 48, Them Bowden Sweet collection, everything in this suite is retiring, so you'll want to mark both pages. On pages 50, we have the Tricks and Treats stamp set, dies, and bundle that is retiring, along with on page 51, the Pick of the Patch stamp set, punch, and dies. Bundle. On page 52, the Garden Walk Sweet collection is retiring, along with the bundle, the ribbon, and the designer series paper. The pearls will be carrying over. So on page 54, you'll see that the Modern Garden stamp set and bundle are retiring. The punch will be carrying over, along with the More Wishes stamp set on the next page. On page 56, we're going to be carrying over the translucent florals and their dies, but that discounted bundle is going away. On page 57, the Melody Mix is going away. And on page 58, the Light the Sky bundle is going away, but the stamp set and dies are carrying over. The Always With Me stamp set will be carrying over. And on page 60, the Whale Watching will be going away. Page 61, Throughout the Year, will be carrying over since it's got some great all occasion sentiments for the holidays. Page 62, both the Year to Celebrate stamp set and the Classic gift card envelopes are being retired, along with the Cheers to the Season stamp set. The Deckled Circles are going to be carrying over. On page 64, the Curved Occasion stamp set and bundle will be retiring, but the punch will be carrying over. And on page 65, the stamp set, dies, and bundle will be retiring. That flips to our bundle page to share with you. You can mark this also if you'd like, making a quick and easy reference. We've got the Above It All dies and bundle retiring, along with the Them Bones. Just the bundle for the autumn leaves, and the punch and the bundle for the Very Cute. On the next page, I forgot to mark the dies on the Christmas Classics, so both the bundle and dies are leaving us. The Forever Forest bundle, the Curved Occasions bundle, and both the dies and the Fruitful Blessings bundle are retiring. On page 69, the Joy of Noel's die and bundle is retiring, along with the Magical Meadow dies and bundle below it. The Light the Sky bundle is going away, and so is the Merriest Trees bundle. Remember, some of the items in a bundle may be carrying over, but the bundle itself will be gone, along with the discount. Page 70, the Merry and Bright dies and bundle, along with the Night Divine dies and bundle. The Pick of the Patch, punch and bundle, and just the Modern Garden bundle because that Modern Oval punch is carrying over. On the next page, the Rocking Horse dies and bundle, the St. Nicholas dies and bundle, the Sending Cheers dies and bundle, and the Rustic Crate are all retiring. Page 72, just the bundle for the Sparkling Snowflakes is retiring, along with the Translucent Floral bundle. In the next column, you've got the Stars of Night Hybrid Folder bundle and the Tricks and Treat dies and bundle that are going away, along with the Warmest Heart dies and bundle and the Wishes All Around dies and bundle. The Winter Owls dies and bundle is also retiring. So that's everything on page 73. And of course, once you have the others, you can go ahead and mark your indexes if you would like. One last thing, our Hostess stamp set always retires at the end of the catalog. I wanted to give you a quick overview of what's retiring and what's carrying over from the mini catalog so you can take full advantage of our special promotion November 14th through the 16th and order those items that may disappear quickly during the sale. And of course, if you'd like any of these products, feel free to stop by my online store. You can get there from my blog, Stamp with Jini. Thanks for joining me.